if you want to cut the murder rate and maybe prevent your own. Use the very best people psychology there is. Give credit where credit is due, because recognition works wonders.
Use the very best people psychology. Give credit where credit is due, because recognition works wonders.
Recognition works wonders. Did you know that?
Recognition works wonders. You work your ass off for recognition of family and friends.
Recognition works wonders.
Did you know that?
Do you know how powerful recognition can be?
Today's kids often kill just for the recognition of their gang.
Let's replace gang recognition with recognition from a higher authority.
Higher authority is any entity with the power to reward or punish behavior.
Higher authorities are community leaders, business managers, teachers, parents, and maybe you.
Your mayor could be the higher authority.
The mayor has the authority to recognize citizen merit.
Let's give citizens the opportunity to earn society-wide recognition for completing tasks that benefit us all.
But caution, what is your mayor doing?
The mayor is too busy fighting crime with high-tech tools, instead of using old-fashioned citizen motivation.
People don't change just because tools do.
People still respond to recognition for a job well done, but resist being forced to do it.
The only tools you need for citizen motivation are tools to keep score and reward merit. Do you know who has done the most for you lately?
Here are the tools you need to manage merit recognition based on merit scores.
The tools to exchange mayhem for merits are now in your hands. What will you do?